got a combination. Is that on?
You're not on a cooking show.
Cheryl, you had Cheryl.
How's it going, Rachel?
We're videotaping.
So here's what we got, people. We've got two juicers. Sarah's got her Breville juice fountain.
Sarah, you're feeling like a winner?
Yep.
All right.
Living well
He has
by
no
Marshall
chance
Williams.
against me.
And what do you got
Just
here?
living well. Okay, so I've got in mind, I'm going with mango, with strawberries, with blueberries, and a banana,
Can I taste
along
this?
with rice milk.
Alrighty.
I believe it's going to be just delicious.
You got a lot of good-looking fruits and vegetables here, I have to say.
Are you guys ready to taste?
I'm done.
What did you say, Sarah?
I'm done.
Where's Aaron?
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
He is such a drama queen.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Sarah's eating all of her
So
juicing
by the way,
materials.
we're doing one with fruits and then the other with vegetables.
Can't
so
wait.
the next one, vegetables, is going to be very interesting. All right, who wants? All right, let's go. Oh God, mine got heated. What's hot?
He's already blown
Hot
up
juice
his
can't be
juicer.
good.
Mine's not.
Oh, what do you know about that? How's it going so
Yeah,
far there?
because yours is meant to make soup.
Why is it warm? Juice should
All
be
right.
cold. Don't touch.
All right, we will
No touching.
have some tasting and determining.
cold.
All
It
right,
looks pretty delicious.
we'll
All
see
right,
how it
why don't you
goes.
give me one of yours? And then
we
you
supposed
guys.
to trade
Alright.
each other?
Yeah.
I don't want yours. I want mine.
Kiss this video one. Bye.
Bye bye.
That sound is interesting. All right, what do you think? How delicious is yours?
That's really delicious.
I'm sure it is. And Sarah, how's yours?
Mine's really good. Wait, Dad, what are we supposed to drink our own?
Oh, there's
Yeah,
a
but I
good
need
look.
to chill
There's a
that.
good look for you.
Cause I love the way you say good morning. And you take me the way I am.
Wow, that's really attractive.
I'm gonna get my golden food.
My sweater.
I haven't heard anything about Sarah's yet.
Oh, I already know it's good.
I'd like to know what's in yours, Sarah.
Oh my dear God, Dad! If
Yeah,
you
it's
eat my
good.
golden spoon, I swear to God, I will kill you.
Okay, okay, okay.
Mine is watermelon,
Did I?
You
3
ate
slices
some.
of
No, I
watermelon,
didn't eat
5
eat
big
that.
strawberries,
Does it,
Right here.
1 apple,
does it look like I ate it?
1
You
of
ate
these
some.
oranges,
I went to the yogurt land.
strawberries, apple,
said that?
pineapple.
Any
I mean,
banana?
no, there's no pineapple. Hi, Rachel. There's no pineapple. There's mango that didn't really juice at all, and a handful of raspberries.
You are so
Wow.
pretty. Wow, you are so pretty. Okay.
Okay, and then we're trying again, huh?
I'm putting some ice cubes in to bring me.
Cool it down.
Yeah, cool it down. All right,
Alright.
you guys ready to try one?
We're gonna try. I'm turning this off to try. We've
So,
just
looks
finished
like
the
we've got a
tasting,
winner.
and the winner is
Not me.
da 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 da. Sarah and her Breville juicer. It was delicious. It had a lot of flavor of watermelon in it.
I know, it was really
Could
good.
you take a picture of us?
So what's up
holding our
with
juice?
you and your $400 juicer?
It was $200, and I'm returning it to Montel because he sucks. He sucks.
Well, we could probably use it as a blender.
We don't need a $200 blender. We already got a blender.
That
So
is
what are you
true.
gonna return
Here,
it?
no. Yeah.
How do you? Why would you do that?
Watch me.
Okay. Nicely done, Sarah.
Where's your
Congrats.
camera?
Okay, well now that we finished the vegetable version of our juicing contest,
Give him that
what's going, Sarah? The fingers, scary fingers.
Creepy.
And you with the green goo, what do you have to say?
Throw up in a jar.
It is not heart barf. Heart barf. Actually, it came out. It's a little spicy.
Uh-huh. And what did you just tell her a minute ago before I turned the camera on?
What?
About her juicer?
Oh, it's decent. Decent. Apparently, this one's gonna be returned.
And then what did she win in the juicing world?
What did you win?
Reputation.
Oh, her reputation in the juicing world has definitely been established.
Alright, so Sarah, in your vegetable juice, tell me
This.
what was in your vegetable juice.
Not an onion.
I might have made a
Carrot,
mistake.
tomato, 4 big carrots, half of a tomato, 1 apple, 2 little oranges, and that was it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was really good. I tasted
awesome.
it.
That was good.
Thanks,
And what concoction did you
I had 2
just to tell us
tomatoes.
what not to put in?
I had 2 tomatoes. I used the sweet onion.
Garbage.
All right.
It wasn't sweet. I used ginger, which was a little strong.
I used the roots
And then
of
I used
egg.
spinach.
And spinach. Excellent.
And this is what you get. So
Wait,
I
let me
got
get a
that going
close
for me,
up
which
of that. That looks like split piece.
Yum yum.
Alrighty.
Come get you some. Okay, that was good job.
All right. Well, Sarah, you're the winner in both categories. What do you have to say for yourself? Yep, that's what we thought. Congrats. Well done, you guys.
This isn't even near good.
Sorry.